Can you tell us what is maybe better or different than the automation we've had in the past with the agents now?
Well, first off, there was most automation had logic, but maybe not intelligence. If you
Mhm.
want to use that, having some sort of intelligence behind it, which that's what's allowed large language models to dramatically help us. From a large language model, from what we know of like ChatGPT is also the ability to use more unstructured data. Our potential, workflows and unstructured data could be just a recording from this meeting or emails, email threads, things like that, where you're able to just extract these conversations and use them for context to maybe to be able to help the automation. But, if you're looking at how much more AI improves the automations that you already have, it it's coming along, but it's not there, all the way. And, and I would say the big difference is with I would say particularly to AI agents is we always talk about closing the loop.
Mhm.
You'd be able to close the loop. It's not an agent if it can't close the loop. But so like right now, most people use ChatGTP or something similar as a co-pilot, and it's really augmenting their workflow. It's really augmenting them, but they still have to be full or mostly full human in the loop, or at least a big portion in the loop, and it's not closing the loop. And so we always say sometimes there are really complex tasks that it's just better for a person to be there and using AI as a co-pilot, but there is a lot of lower complexity type workflows that we can close the loop on. And close the loop would be as simple as, if you told AI to go out and do something, whether it was scrape data, create content, create a blog, and post a blog, or it does everything and actually sends out the email. So if someone sent you an email requesting documents and an agent went in there, seen what documents needed, got the documents, brought them back, and sent out the email, that would be closed because it completed the task. Automation can do that, but, it doesn't have quite the, reasoning and intelligence behind it, and a lot of and the difference is too, is large language models able to look at unstructured data.